Ciao friends! In this video, we share a list of things to see and do in the beautiful city of Marrakesh. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so before we jump in. Staying in a riad is one of the most enchanting ways to experience Marrakesh. These traditional Moroccan homes, often hidden behind modest exteriors, reveal beautiful courtyards and intricate tilework once inside. Many riads offer luxurious accommodations with rooftop terrace, plunge pools, and personalized services. The tranquil atmosphere provides a peaceful retreat from the bustling Medina, allowing you to unwind while immersing yourself in authentic Moroccan hospitality and design. We will leave a list of our favorite riads in the description box below. Watching the sunset from a rooftop in Marrakesh is magical. Head to one of the terraces near Jemaa El Fna Square, like Café de France or Nomad, where you can sip on mint tea while the golden hues light up the Medina's terracotta rooftops. As the call to prayer echoes, the city transforms, and you will have a panoramic view of both the ancient architecture and the Atlas Mountains in the distance. Dominating Marrakesh's skyline, the Ethiopian Mosque is the city's largest and most important place of worship. Built in the 12th century, its towering 77-meter minaret can be seen from across the city. The mosque design, featuring ornate arches and delicate stonework, reflects the height of the Almohad architecture. Although non-Muslims are not allowed inside, the surrounding gardens provide a peaceful space to admire its grandeur. The Souks of Marrakesh are a labyrinth of narrow alleys filled with vibrant stalls offering everything imaginable. The atmosphere is electric, colorful spices piled high, the scent of leather and incense wafting through the air, and the sounds of merchants calling out to potential buyers. You can find hand-woven Berber rags, intricate metal lanterns, leather bags, and traditional Moroccan slippers. Artisanal pottery, fragrant perfumes, and shimmering jewelry are also abundant. Each section of the souk specializes in different crafts, from blacksmiths hammering away to dyeing hanging colorful fabrics to dry. Haggling is an art form here, and bargaining for your chosen item is part of the experience, adding to the thrill of shopping in Marrakesh's souks. A traditional Moroccan dinner show with belly dancing offers an immersive cultural experience. At venues like Chez Ali and Comptoir Darma, you'll enjoy a feast of Moroccan dishes such as lamb tagine, couscous, and bastilla, while being entertained by vibrant performances. The highlight is the belly dancing, where skilled dancers, adorned in colorful costumes, move gracefully to rhythmic drums. These shows often include other traditional elements like gnawa music, aerobatics, and even horse riding display. Jemaa El Fna is the beating heart of Marrakesh, an iconic square that comes alive with activity, especially at sunset. By day, you'll find snake charmers, street performers, and vendors selling fresh juices. As evening falls, the square transforms into a vibrant open-air market and performance space. Food stalls pop up, offering everything from fragrant tagines to grilled meat, while musicians, storytellers, and acrobats entertain crowds. The air is filled with the aroma of spices and the sounds of drums, creating a sensory overload that captures the spirit of Marrakesh. This next experience is a must. Enjoy the rich flavors of Moroccan cuisine by taking a cooking class on a traditional farm outside Marrakesh. You will learn how to prepare classic dishes like tagine and couscous using fresh local ingredients from the market. Our experience included shopping at the local market in the Medina. Once at the farm, we learned how to use the fresh ingredients and spices to create amazing traditional dishes. We enjoyed the meal under the shade of the trees, which was magical. We will leave our recommendation of our favorite experiences in the description box below. An oasis in the heart of Marrakesh, the Majel Garden was designed by French painter Jacques Majel and later restored by fashion designer Yves Saint Laurent. The garden is a riot of color with vibrant cobalt blue buildings set against a lush backdrop of exotic plants, cacti, and palm trees. The peaceful walkways lead you through bamboo groves, fountains, and shaded seating areas, making it the perfect place to escape the city's heat and noise. In Marrakesh, Friday is traditionally a day to enjoy couscous as it's served after the midday prayers. Many restaurants and homes offer this beloved dish, often prepared with tender lamb, chicken, or beef, and accompanied by slow-cooked vegetables like carrots, zucchinis, and chickpeas. The best couscous we had in Marrakesh was at Royal Mansour. It's such a beautiful place and the service was impeccable. If you are in Marrakesh on a Friday, definitely partake in this tradition. Marrakesh is a street food lover's paradise. Try the street food meshoué and seafood in the heart of Marrakesh's Medina. You'll find some of the best street food, including the succulent meshoué, slow-roasted lamb cooked in underground ovens. Served tender and perfectly spiced is a must-try. For seafood lovers, head to the stalls offering grilled fish, shrimp, and calamari, all seasoned with Moroccan spices and served fresh from the grill. Pair them with a side of fried eggplant or zalouk, a smoky eggplant dip, for a true taste of the Medina's vibrant street food scene. Once the largest Islamic school in North Africa, Ben Youssef Madrasa is a marvel of Islamic art and education. Established in the 14th century and later renovated, the madrasa housed up to 900 students studying the Quran. Its inner courtyard is a stunning display of craftsmanship featuring tile mosaics, carved cedar wood, and stucco decoration. Walking through its ancient halls, you can imagine the rich scholarly life that once filled this architectural gem. For a refined Moroccan dining experience, Maison Arabe is a must visit in Marrakesh. This iconic restaurant in Riads offers a luxurious setting to enjoy traditional dishes like couscous and tagine. Known for its impeccable service and elegant atmosphere, Maison Arabe is also famous for its cooking workshops where you can learn how to prepare classic Moroccan recipes. Whether dining in the lush garden or inside the atmospheric Riad, the blend of authentic flavors and ambiance makes Maison Arabe a standout choice for a memorable meal. Tucked away in the bustling Medina, Le Jardin Secret is a peaceful oasis that dates back to the 16th century. Recently restored, this hidden gem showcases the beauty of traditional Islamic garden design. Divided into two sections, a lush exotic garden and a serene Islamic garden, it's a perfect spot to escape the city's noise. The fountain's shaded path and rich greenery offers tranquility, while the tower provides panoramic view of Marrakesh's rooftop. Le Jardin Secret is a blend of history, architecture, and nature, inviting reflection and relaxation. Housed in a former palace, the Musée de Marrakech is a treasure trove of Moroccan art and culture. Located near the Ben Youssef Madrasa, this museum showcases a fascinating collection of traditional ceramics, textiles, and jewelry alongside contemporary Moroccan art. The building itself is a stunning example of Andalusian architecture with a grand central courtyard featuring a beautifully decorated fountain and tile work. A visit here offers a rich insight into the artistry and history of Marrakesh, blending past and present. For an authentic Moroccan dining experience in a Riyadh, visit Visitar Sana. Tucked away in the heart of the Medina, this charming restaurant offers a cozy, intimate ambiance with beautiful traditional decor. Dining here feels like stepping back in time, with the tranquil courtyard and candlelit atmosphere adding to the magical experience. We hoped you like our list of the best things to do in Marrakesh. There's a lot more to this city that we can share here. We will share our other videos of Marrakesh and what to do around the city in the description box below. If you're not subscribed yet to our channel, please consider doing so and like and share our content if you found it helpful. See you in another one.